Righto. I've just been from Leaburn Township. I can't get into my place any other way except the highway. I've gone back to the highway. I'm coming down the road leading to my place and my niece's house. The water's gushing down the side of the road here, onto the road, as you can see there. Off these properties lying up the hill. I'm heading down towards the old raceway. They call it Liberator Lane. And it'll be underwater, so I'm not even attempting going anywhere near that. I'm heading downhill now, and the water's going across the road here from the rain that's flowing down from the properties from the overflowing dam. There's bats there, and they're rushing down the side here. This is all got to go down to Canal Creek. And here's another bat here. I'll slow down a bit. Righto, now this is going downhill again, still. Flowing across the road, the gutters can't handle it, obviously. Now it's flooding down here. My niece's place is to the left of this part where it's flooding. This is just the water coming off the property. See it gushing down the side there. I'll go a bit slower. Now this is getting pretty deep. There's a lot of water flowing down here, a lot of debris. It's gushing, but it's not gushing that bad. It's up to my doors, going through that right now. Not coming in, luckily. That's it. To the left is the turn off to Leaburn, which you can't get through, on the other side of the hill. That's where my niece lives, down that way, and I'm coming down to my place, on my road. I just had a look down there, and the water's over the road down that road as well, Liberator Lane, where the old racetrack used to be. We're coming down to Des Moines. The low part, it always goes over here, so it's not surprising, but it's getting deeper as well. Just from all the water coming off the property, Canal Creek, hasn't affected us yet. It won't. It's going to affect us for a long time. It's going to come up 6 months before it comes even near us. Depends on how much rain we get, basically. So we're coming downhill, downhill, downhill. To the floodway just before my house. And it's underwater, and I've seen this much water here before, but that was 20 odd years ago when I bought the property. It must be 20 odd years at least, I'm not sure exactly. I have to get an actual date. I think it was 89 or something like that I bought the place. I've seen water like this then. I haven't seen it since. Because I had a company car and I had to walk from there to my property. I had to park the car there and walk all the way. I wasn't going to go through it in a normal car, which I probably wouldn't in that situation either. That's a bit deep there at the moment. So all this water's coming down from the hills, down my road. This road was actually covered last week with the 100 mil of rain we had, and all of a sudden, here we are, the water's coming out of this property onto my road. And my road is an island again. Our road is a river again. This is what it was like the other night. There's water flooding right across the road. Very, very little wet. And it just goes to mush. It's only a gravel base and clay road, so it goes underwater. And that water's over the road. Look, all the way along here. This is in front of my house. My house is just there. This is a road and it is a river. It is flowing. And it's covered with water. And there's still more to come. Now I'm going to go past my house. This is probably the only opportunity today I'll be able to get out of my house. I'd say this is going to become a bigger river. As you can see, it's rushing around this part here. following Chad actually. Chad's just been over with the floodwaters as well. And it's starting to get chewed up and it's rough as guts. The rain's steady. And I'm just in water all the way. And that's what I mean about my road becoming a water, and that's why I've got a four-wheel drive. Mainly for the height. But if this road keeps up, it'll end up being chopped up. There's the old farmhouse. That's Terry's place. Water should be underneath it by now. Chad was just here. So he'll be pulling off in a minute. It's flooding real bad. I don't even think I'll go down further. He's getting a bit deep here. It's the Buckingham's house, or what used to be the Buckingham's house. It's up for sale again now. And there's water all the way down here. And all this water's got to go to Canal Creek somehow. So anyway, that's my road under water, and you can see the four-wheel drive down there. He's going down further actually. He's got a low spot there, and he goes into high spot. So that's my road underwater. Now he's going into his place now. So I'm going to turn around. I'm not going to take the chance, and I'll start it up again and I'll show you on the way back.